this is William at the swimming pool. Smile. All right, what are you going to do in the pool?
Go swimming.
All right, well then let's go. You going to do a flip turn for us?
Okay.
All right, let's see it. Oh, you saw a tiny. Oh, good flip turn. Pull up your bathing suit. All right, let's see the swimming with the arms. Awesome. Yeah, all right, now come do another flip turn right here. Yeah! Oh, and another flip, just to top it all off. All right. Anything else you want to do? What else do you want to do?
Going to get it.
All right, why don't you get up here? Pull up your bathing suit. All right, and jump and swim to the other side. Go! Swim! Oh, and another